If you're looking for a free HD video converter, then one of the best ones that you can get out there for absolutely free is a WonderFox free HD video converter factory. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can download this for free so that you can install it on your computer, on your Windows PC or laptop, and you can start using it to convert any video that you may have. Guys, welcome back to the tutorial. I'm Andrew, and you can either just open up your browser and simple type in videoconverterfactory.com and head over to their website, or you can just simple open up the browser and you can go ahead and you can search for video converter factory. So you can just simply go ahead type in video converter factory, and you will be able to go to their official website by basically clicking on that. It will take you to the same as you can see that I have here. Let me go ahead and close one of these windows. Now, to get the free download, what you want to do is go over to where it says download at the top here, the top right hand side, click on download, and you want to scroll down under the freeware downloads, and here you'll find the free HD video converter factory. And if you also want to get the free DVD ripper, you can use this as well. It's absolutely free. Now, all you have to do, guys, is just simply click on free download, and it's going to take you over to this page where it's going to start to download that application. And if you look on the upper right hand side in my Google Chrome here, you can see that it is currently being downloaded, right? And in case it don't download, you can simply go ahead and click this button and say start the download, restart the download, just in case it doesn't start automatically, but it should start automatically for you. Now you can see there, guys, it is super fast to download, and you can see how it actually works. It shows you how it is done within Google Chrome, and it shows you for Firefox and Edge or Internet Explorer. Right now that we have this downloaded, I'm gonna simply go ahead and open up that folder here. It's on my PC, and you will see that I have it downloaded. Now it's showing twice because I've downloaded it before, but you know, you can just simply go ahead and open that. So now that we have it downloaded, I'm gonna double click on this application here, and it's going to trigger my user account control. That's for Windows. You want to go ahead and say yes. It's gonna give you a pop-up here. Right now I can even close some of these windows and just go ahead and choose a language. In my case, I'm going to allow to install in English, so I'm going to click on OK and just simply proceed by accepting those terms here. We can leave it for the destination folder as is and just go ahead and click on install. Now we just need to go ahead and wait for it to install. As you can see, it's already showing a shortcut on my desktop already on the left hand side, and yeah, it should install in no time. So let's just wait for it to install, then we can open it and show you that it actually works. As you can see, it's going really fast, guys, so that should be finished in a matter of seconds right there. Let's wait for it, and as you can see, it is done. It even asks if I want to run it right away, and I can just leave it as is and just say finish, and it's gonna launch that application for me. And as you can see, it's currently launching. What I want to mention as well, on my separate window, I receive a pop-up that basically shows that the installation is successful. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Let me move it over that window. So once you finish installing, you will see it says installation successful. Thank you for choosing WonderFox, and you can close this right here. So as you can see, it's currently detecting my hardware here, GPU acceleration. It says please wait, and we just want to go ahead and wait until that is done. And here you have it, guys. It is done doing its test, and you can see that it now pops up. It also shows that I can upgrade it as well, but as I said, we will not be upgrading at this point to the Pro. We'll be using the free version. And that's it. You have the downloader, you have the converter, and if you want to use it, it is super easy. Just go ahead and click on convert, and it's going to take you over to this section here. Keep in mind, it is very easy to use. If you want to learn how to use it, I'll be making more videos showing you how to basically use it, but it's super straightforward. All you have to do is just go ahead and click here. It's going to open up your file explorer where you can find those video files if you have any video files on your PC. At the moment I don't have any, but this is how you'll basically work it. You just need to go ahead and find video files that you have. Maybe I have something here in this recording folder. And yeah, let's say I want to do this video, I can click on that and I can basically click on the open there, and it's going to add that video file here. Now that the video file is added, guys, you can choose the output location at the bottom here. It says output folder. You can go ahead and you can just click this little folder icon here to basically change where you want to basically have that, right? So you can find your location where you want to basically click the drop down as well to basically move it. And to change your folder location, just click the little down arrow right here and just basically choose wherever on your PC you want to do that. So in my case, if I want to switch it to, for example, downloads folder, I can go ahead and find, for example, downloads and click there, then click OK. And as you can see, it changes the location to the downloads folder as well, right? You can even do batch compression if you want, as you can see right here. Now you may be wondering, how do I basically convert to a different video format? As you can see, the current video format is MP4, and it's showing that's going to give me an output on the MKV. You can quickly change this, guys, by simply switching this on the right hand side where it says click to change output format. You can click there and just choose whatever format you want. So as you can see, there's a ton of different format. So let's say I wanted to do this into MOV file. As an example, I can click that, and as you can see, it changes there, and that's how you can easily go ahead. So if you want to do that, just choose the option you want, and you can see the format on the right hand side. And all you have to do now is just simply hit and run, and it's going to basically convert that for you. So all I have to do is just click and run. It's going to take its time to quickly do it. As you can see, it's currently doing it at the moment, and once it is done, I'll have that video file in that specific folder where I've created it to basically do the output. As I said, I change it to the location of the downloads folder, and once it is done, I'm going to quickly show you how it looks, and basically that it's in that location as well, and it should output my video file format in an MOV file format for me. And let's just wait for it. It's almost done. As you can see, it is almost done. And once it is done, obviously you're using the free version, but you'll be able to basically find that path there. So if I go to my file explorer again and go to my downloads, you should see that I have that file here, which is this file format here. And you can see once I hover over it, it says a MOV file format. And that's it, guys. You basically learn how you can quickly go ahead and download and install this WonderFox free HD video converter factory, and you can easily use that to convert your videos. As you see, there's a ton of different formats that you can basically use with it, and if you even want to get a pro version, they're also available as well. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys. Hope you found value in this video. If you do, give this video a like. No, guys, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.